guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be sharing Klaiyi hair. Just in case you are interested, be sure to check my description box down below for links and details. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let's hop straight into this wig because I forgot what they sent me. So when you purchase this wig, if you purchase this wig, it will come like this. This is the box, and it is a 7x5 Bye Knots lace wig. So that's what it's looking like. And inside it does come with goodies. So we have some hair clips. We also have some false nails. They give you a wig cap, and they give you an elastic band to lay down your lace and edges onto the wig. So this is the wig, and of course, as you can see, they give you some tape to lay down the lace just in case you don't want to use any glue or adhesive. I think this is like a curtain bang wig, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. So right here, it does come with the roller, which I think is really cute because, you know, it makes that front fringe bang curtain, what have you, stay in place. But this is the wig straight out of the packaging. This little roller does get stuck to the lace that, oh girl, that's all the way across the room. I don't have time. But look. So that's the roller that it comes with. Here are the curls. So it is pre-curled. And like I said, it does come with that roller. And I just went ahead and took that off. It's a set middle part, but it is a 7x5, so you can part it. I wouldn't say any way you want to, but I mean, it has some room for you to part it if you wanted a deep side part, a flip over. So here's the lace right here. This is the 7x5. It doesn't have any combs in the front, but it does come with a removable elastic band, and then you do have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and a little grippy piece. So I'm excited. Okay, so let's see what this wig is talking about. Now let me see. The length is 24 inches. I already added some finishing powder to the lace. I don't have my wig cap. I don't know where it is. That's what I'm missing, a mirror. The fit is really good. And this can be a glueless wig. It's definitely going to be a glueless wig today. But this is what it looks like straight on my head. She's cute. As you can see, she's laying flat. Let me put her so you can see how the parting is. And this is with no cap underneath. Really cute. This is crazy that I don't have to put no heat to her. Like, what? Honestly, do y'all see this wig? Like, literally flat. Like, you don't have to do anything to this wig. And I'm just sitting here like, like, what should I do? Nothing. I'm not. Honestly, like, I'm not going to add any finishing powder or concealer to the lace because it doesn't need to be done. Like, what? I'm not going to add any heat because it doesn't need to be done. I'm not going to add any curls because it doesn't need to be done. I feel like this is not even a video. And I'm speaking the honest truth. Like, what? are we talking about right now? Like, do y'all see this? The bang is so cute. Like, it's giving me 70s. I love it. And now I'm like, what am I doing here? Like, what? Do y'all see this? Look at it. Y'all, you don't have to wear it with any adhesive or glue. It's definitely glueless. What? All right, hold up. Look at that, y'all. Again, this is 24, 26, 24 inches. So this is where it comes on me. In the front. Bam. So, yes. Definitely won't be taking this off. I'm going to tie this bad boy up and like wear it for tomorrow, just because right now I'm not going to wear, but like I need to wear this tomorrow, and it's Friday tomorrow. Like, what? No, it's Thursday tomorrow. Wait, today is Thursday, it's Friday tomorrow. Like, what? Girl, like, this supposed to be the curtain bang. Are we giving curtain bang? This wig eats down. Like, nothing needed to be done. That's all I can say. Y'all saw it. Nothing needed to be done. This wig, highly recommend. Like, from the quality down to, you don't have to put energy into this wig. Literally. Like, I did some extra steps, but honestly, when y'all saw me put on this wig, you can decipher whether you want to put some energy into this wig or not. It's like straight on your head and go type of wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this wig. I love the fact that it already came as like a little curtain jump off. Like, I love this wig. Like, what are we thinking? What are we thinking, ladies? Like, if you are interested, I will leave the links down below. I don't know, maybe I should style it a different way, but this is straight out of the box. This is straight out of the packaging. Like, this is it. I did cut it a little bit, but that was kind of unnecessary. Honestly, I really didn't. Depending on how big and spacious your forehead is, depends on how you want the like this fringe or like the curtain bang to lay on your head, so you can cut it accordingly. That's what I did. But y'all, like, I didn't add nothing. Literally nothing. Nothing. This is it. The same original curls. Okay, I can't get over the quality. Alright, like, I love this wig. This is really cute. links in my description box because you're going to want to get your hands on this wig. Seriously, like, it lays so super flat. Like, what are we talking about right now, girl? Now this is the point where they want you to do like another style. It stops here, okay? Like, what do you want me to do? It just looks so good, y'all. Y'all. The only thing I'm gonna do is cut the band a little more. I'm sorry, but this is all I'm doing to this wig, honestly. Like, because I don't want to mess it up. Not that I'm gonna mess it up, but like, this is how I want to wear it, and that's as far as I'm gonna take it. Like, I'll just make a full bang, but this is the second style. Like, I'm so in love with this wig. It just complements a big forehead, honestly. And your girl has a big forehead. Like, this just covers up everything. I love it. What? Yeah, ladies, she is cute. What's going on with my voice? She is cute. That's it. That's all. Like, this is my second style, even though it's not far from the first one. But I couldn't switch it up that much, y'all, because, sorry, my nose is running, because I want to wear it like this. And then this, like, oh my god. Yeah. Yeah.